Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shayla, if this is your first time here. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys just a really easy everyday makeup look using a bunch of brand new products. Today's video is sponsored by NYX Cosmetics, and I'll be showing you the shade extension of the Lip Laundry Push-Up Matte Lip. I'm sure most of you guys have seen these bad boys. I feel like it's like one of the most popular items from NYX. Everyone uses it. They're super matte, slightly plumping, or I should say it's a gentle plump, but these are really amazing. They come with a sharpener and kind of more of like a pointed tip, so it's easy to apply the lipstick. See, boom, sharpener, lip, sharpener storage right there. So before we move on with the video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and without further ado, let's get started. All right, I'm gonna start with the Marc Jacobs Undercover Primer. Just put this all over the face. I love primer. I go through phases where I'm like obsessed with it and then phases where I don't use it, but you find a good one. All right, next I'm gonna apply the Synchro Skin Foundation from Shisedo. This is a brand new foundation with SPF 30. And I'm using the Shisedo Kabuki brush, and we're just gonna apply this all over. This is shade 450. Oh yes. All right, next I'm gonna conceal with the Makeup Forever number 45 concealer. I've been using this for a few months now, and it's definitely like one of the top 5 concealers right now. Like I'm just really into this bad boy. Ooh. Just so you guys know, it's like really hard to put makeup on through a monitor, not a mirror, and I'm doing it pretty good. I know what's wrong with me sometimes. All right, blend that in. So you can see that I do put a lot of concealer on, which is why it's fine for me to kind of go a little darker with my foundation, because I feel like the concealer kind of lightens it a little bit and then also just creates like a natural contour. Like my forehead, you can see it's just like, it's almost like naturally highlighted contour. Well, not naturally, I put makeup on it, but you know what I'm saying? Without me like getting a super dark color, it just looks contoured and highlighted. Yeah, hit up that chin. I always put a little concealer under the cheek here too, or whatever's left on the sponge, I should say. Perfect. All right, this is my main chick right here. This is Studio Fix C7, and I'm just gonna apply this under my eyes. Oh yes. I used to use C6, but I feel like it was just like a little too bright for me. So C7 is the one. Put a little bit up here too. Pretty much wherever I put concealer at, we're gonna put a little bit of Studio Fix powder. Right up in here. I'm gonna bake under my eyes with the brand new Pat McGrath Light Medium Setting Powder. I think this is like the second to lightest color, but it has a little bit more of a yellow undertone, which is why I like it. And it's just like perfect for baking. This, that new. I know I'm going a little crazy. It's okay. It's okay. Using a powder puff to apply a setting powder, a loose powder, is honestly like key when it comes to like your makeup staying matte and lasting all day. I know I kind of did like a messy job putting it on, which I always do. Every video I do that, but it's fine. I'm just gonna go through, where's my mirror? And wipe off the sides of my nose here, because we don't need those. We don't need that to bake. Really, I just need like the center of the nose to bake, but not the side. So you just wipe it off just like that. All right, I'm gonna fill in my brows with the Sigma Brow Powder. I'm only gonna use powder today. Sometimes I'll use powder and a cream, but sometimes I'll just do powder. It definitely looks a lot more natural when I just use powder by itself. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I never use like a black in my brow. Like, you know, a black shadow. It's always dark brown. I even kind of like my brows to be like a little bit lighter than my hair color. And right now my hair is pretty light, but I don't like dark brows. I feel like they make my face look like angry. You know what I mean? Like dark brows, I feel like give you just that like angry brow. We ain't trying to do any of that. All right, now that we have the brows done, I'm gonna go back in with my concealer and use my concealer as an eyeshadow base. I don't know why I don't use eyeshadow bases anymore. Well, I do know why. I just feel like concealer and eyeshadow base kind of works the same. Honestly, and I like that a concealer is close to my skin tone, so it just works out perfectly. All right, we have the brand new Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Storm palette. It is so pretty. I'm gonna put Lunar Eclipse here, kind of like all over the lid and in the crease. I love these like orange color, especially with my skin tone. It's like, ooh, perfect. Add it on my lid too. I love the look of just like one color on the lid and in the crease. You guys know this, like I do this all the time. Like I'll just like, especially if I'm in a rush, I'll just throw one color all over. But since we have this pretty palette, I'm gonna put a little bit of Eternal Light. Should we do Eternal Light? All over the lid. Just kidding. I wanna do Saltise, this one down here. I feel like this is gonna go better. And I'm just gonna use my finger and just put it all over the lid. Ooh, so that's like an iridescent, kind of like a pink color. All right, so the same color that went in the crease, I'm gonna apply and smudge under the lash line. So that's Lunar Eclipse. And I'm just gonna smudge it under here. So this is really just a 2 shadow eye makeup look, which is typically like my everyday situation. I rarely will do like a smoky eye for an everyday look. It's usually like pretty simple because, you know, sometimes we ain't got time, okay? All right, I'm gonna line with the Dose of Color Shady eyeliner. This is a black gel-based liner. I know mine's like almost gone. I feel like I've had this, when did these come out? Maybe a year ago. I've had it for like almost a year. Brown liner would look really good with this eye makeup look too, but because I'm wearing false lashes, I'm just gonna do a black line. Not too thick, not too thin, just something like pretty natural. And I always make the liner a little thicker on the outside. I think it kind of just like lifts the eye a little bit. And then I'm gonna grab my little smudge brush and just smudge the outer corner, so it looks like it just blends into the shadow versus like just stopping. All right, before we add mascara and I set everything, I'm just gonna add my lashes. So these are Lilly lashes in Extra Miami. All right, while the glue is drying on the lashes, I'm just gonna wipe off the bake. Bake. How smooth it looks up under there. Yes, okay. Ooh, I like that powder, it's so good. Okay, I'm gonna use Colored Ring Call the Shots Blush Highlight Duo. This is kind of more of like a corally. The highlighter is kind of more of like a pinky kind of highlighter, so we're just gonna use both of them. Start with the highlighter, and I'm just gonna put a little bit because it is kind of like a pink iridescent. So when I want my highlighter to be more natural, I literally focus it right here. I'm not gonna bring it all the way up here. Just back here, a little bit with my finger, right there, a little bit right there, tiny bit, just a little tiny bit. And then I'm gonna grab the blush. Oh crap, I didn't put bronzer on. Do I need bronzer? No. Okay. Apply this peachy blush. I've been wearing this color like since I got it, like 3 days in a row, 4 days in a row. I don't know, 5 days in a row, and I just love it. I feel like colors like this are great for my light colored hair, you know? I mean, I could do it with dark hair too, but you know what I'm saying. All right, let's set the makeup, and then we'll put mascara on, and then we'll talk about the NYX Lingerie Push-Up Lip. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of the Lancome Seals Booster Primer on my bottom lashes. Anytime you use a lash primer, it just makes your lashes look thicker and longer and just really good. Really good. And then this is the Lancome Hypnose Drama Mascara. Now I'm applying this on my natural lash and the false lash. It's kind of like blends them together, makes it look really good. Ooh, yes. And if I curled them, it would just kind of like intensify the look. I kind of like how they're laying kind of more flat. If I curled them, they'd be like way in your face. And I feel like for an everyday look, this looks a little bit better. But I mean, it just depends on the mood. Like sometimes, you know, I be feeling dramatic. Sometimes I'm like more chill. Like I'm kind of more chill right now. So when you see the primer start to disappear, that's when you know it's like time to put the mascara on. So when you apply your bottom mascara, there should still like be a little bit of primer left that you can actually see. I mean, it's always gonna be there, but you want it to look kind of white when you put the mascara on. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Alright, I mentioned this at the beginning of the video, but NYX Cosmetics is extending their Lip Lingerie Push-Up Long-Lasting Matte Lipstick. You can see all the shades right here. So we just have like a nice spectrum of nudes, from peachy nudes to pinky nudes to brown nudes. They're super matte, easy to apply, rich. They have a gentle plumping agent, so it's not like overbearing at all. And they're just really pretty. I think you guys are gonna like them. They're super affordable. I'm gonna put on, I might mix a couple shades, but I don't know, which one do I want to do? I think I want to do Bedtime Flirt, this one right here. See how it just kind of like matches my eyes? Let's see. Okay, yeah, we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna start with the NYX Brown Cafe Lip Liner. It's gonna line in here. There's a few shades that I feel like of the lip lingerie that will look really good with this eye makeup. I'm like, do I wanna go lighter? Do I wanna go pinker, peachier? All right, yeah, we're gonna try Bedtime Flirt. Oh yes, Holy Nude. Yes. So you could even line with another one of the shades if you wanted to. Oh, I love this. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Espresso, which is like a darker brown lip liner from NYX. And I'm gonna line just the outside. Ooh. We love a matte lip up in here, okay? So the NYX Lip Lingerie comes in 12 shades. They're only $9. And like I was showing you earlier, it's just a twist top and then it comes with a sharpener at the bottom. And I think it's just a really good affordable matte lip. If you guys love mattes like I do, I think you guys are really gonna enjoy this product. All right guys, here is the finished look. I should call this like an everyday sunset inspired look because I feel like my eyes look like a sunset, and it looks like I have more than one color up in there, like in the crease. Like I just love this look. I love a matte lip. I could do this all day, every day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment below, let me know your thoughts on this matte lip. Have you guys tried the NYX Lip Lingerie? If so, let me know what's your favorite shade, because maybe I'll give that a try too. And last but not least, strut and slay.